Do you have memories of other times, other places in history, and you just know that you were there, but you're having a hard time really seeing what that looked like, and you're having a hard time connecting with those other versions of you that are existing in these other lifetimes? Maybe there is a subconscious third eye block that is preventing you from fully connecting with those other versions of you in a visual way. That's why I started offering these higher self portraits. If you're curious to learn more on how to connect with these other versions of yourself, then read the caption for all the information.